Hey, what is up YouTubers? It is Cody Karpinen here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows, and in this video I want to show you a super simple strategy that I used on one of my landing page split tests that resulted in doubling the revenue for that affiliate marketing campaign. So this super simple strategy resulted in my click-through rate going up by 15% from the landing page to the offer, and it resulted in nearly doubling the revenue in a short amount of time for this campaign. Okay, now before I get into the strategy, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to stay up to date with all my future YouTube videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Go ahead and do that right now, and now let's actually get into the strategy. This right here, and keep in mind I'm going to keep this video short and to the point. This is the simple strategy that I'm talking about. So this was my V1 landing page call to action. So I was promoting a weight loss offer, and this is just a screenshot from my landing page. I'll show that later on in the video. So at the bottom of my landing page for this weight loss offer, it says, "This never before seen method can be easily performed by anyone of any age." And then the call to action is watch now. It's a big green button, and that resulted in a decent click-through rate from my landing page to the offer. And now this is my V2 landing page, which resulted in a lot better results. So as you can see, the same thing, it's got the big green watch now, but then under it, it's got this video is 100% free to watch, click here to start watching. And that is in a bright blue, so they know it's a link. So then they got an option to click the watch now to go to the offer. And obviously the offer is a video sales letter weight loss product. So they could click the watch now, or they could click that text right underneath. So they got two options, and that resulted in a lot better results. So here's a closer look inside of my volume statistics. So I labeled each lander. I got it blocked out because I'm obviously running this campaign right now. I launched it on January 1st, and it's the 6th today, and it's showing some promising results. But anyways, the V1 had a click-through rate of 32.7%. The V2 had a click-through rate of 47.78%. And then the V3 did not perform that well. I mean, it's got a 31% click-through rate, but no revenue. So that one got canceled. So anyways, the V2, just having that little text with another call to action, resulted in a pretty much a 50% increase in the click-through rate, you know, from 30% to 47, and then the revenue doubling from 132 to 257. Okay, so now that you've seen the statistics, let me go and show you the actual landing pages. Alright, so here's the inside of my volume account. We got the landing page 1, 2, and 3. You can see all the statistics. Let me refresh so you guys know this is legit, and then I'll go and refresh up here as well. My Wi-Fi's being kind of slow, so bear with me. Alrighty. There we go. As you can see, V1, 2, and 3, profit, or not profit, it's actually revenue, because my traffic source is Bing ads for this campaign, and obviously the cost isn't zero because we're doing paid ads, but the return is, it's kind of close to break even. I think I've spent like 300 in the past 5 or 6 days, so obviously a little bit of profit, but when you launch that initial campaign, you're spending money to get that data and then block off things that aren't working. I know I've stressed that a lot in all my previous videos. So now I want to actually show you the landing pages that I've been testing the strategy with. So here is the V1 hypothetical landing page. This isn't the actual landing page that I'm running right now, but it is very similar. I don't want to show you the exact landing page because then everyone is going to start running it and I won't have a chance with my campaign because the competition will be very fierce. So this is just an example landing page, super similar to the one that I'm actually running. Quick little side note, I found this landing page doing some spying on native advertising campaigns. So these types of like landing pages like this, just super simple, native, you'll see these a lot on native ads. So then I was thinking, I was like, might as well try to test them out on Microsoft ads or Bing ads and see if it'll work. And so far it's been working pretty good. So these types of simple landing pages work really good. Yeah, so I just want to point that out that I found this throughout spying, and you can click that I button up there if you want to watch a super helpful way to find super affiliates using a free 100% free spying method. I'd highly recommend watching that video. So this is obviously the V1 example landing page, and then this is the V2. So it is just like this. Everything is the same. Just by having this little bit of text right here saying this video is 100% free to watch, click here to start watching with another call to action. link to your affiliate offer. This resulted in these statistics. The V2, 47% click-through rate from the landing page to the offer versus the V1 plain one, which was just 32%, and then revenue doubling again right here. And then for this V3 landing page, I tested something a lot different. It was like drastically different than these two. So what I did with the V3, I guess I can just explain it. I had like 3 different paragraphs explaining more about the offer, and then I had call to actions throughout the text, and that didn't really work. It probably looked really spammy, so I did figure that these types of simple landing pages with like 1 to 2 tiny paragraphs like this work really good. And then in the future I'll be testing out these types of pages with native ads, because I see a lot of people crushing it with native ads and these types of landing pages, so I'm super excited to get into that. So yeah, one more time, this little bit of text right below your call to action button can really help increase your click-through rate to your affiliate offer. If you got any value from this video, I would appreciate it if you like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.